Hello, my name is Mahgrisya Shudhuashar, and the purpose of this video is to complete the assignment for an English course with material instruction. Okay, in this video I want to give an instruction how to reinstall Windows. Reinstalling Windows is important when your Windows levels are slow, drivers errors, BSOD or this kind of that, or maybe you want to refresh your laptop to its initial state. Now, let's start. First, you need some materials: a USB flash drive with a storage more than 4 gigs, an internet connection, and a Windows software named Media Creation Tool that can be downloaded in the link description below. Second, plug the USB, install the Media Creation Tool that already downloaded, and follow the instruction until the selection is clear. Just select Create Installation Media. Here, you can use recommended option. And here you can choose USB flash drive. Select your destination USB flash drive name. After that, you can wait till downloading. While waiting, you can look for ways to enter BIOS mode, cause every laptop or PC have a different way. Fortunately, I've done that before, so I can continue this tutorial. After download and processing Windows Media installation, you can restart your laptop. This is my virtual BIOS. This BIOS is different for every machine. And select your USB flash drive. Here, you can set what you want. After you're ready, you can click Next. Now here is a tricky part. You must select your main Windows partition with the type primary. You don't need to format your partition. Just click Next. If your choice is correct, a warning will appear like this. This indicates that your previous Windows will be overwritten with a new one. Now, you can wait the Windows installation. Usually, this takes 15 to 30 minutes to install an HDD and 5 to 10 minutes on SSD. And done! Your new Windows is installed. From here, Cortana will help you in setting up your new Windows.
Ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. Windows can save your spot in apps. Hey, look, that's me. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.